Hey guys, Newman here with 910 Airguns. I'm going to show you a new product today. Well, it's not exactly new, it's just a new version of it. So this is the V2 of the Regulator Piston Tool. As you can tell, it looks a lot different than the previous version. It's no longer metal. This is actually a solid piece of CNC, of a special grade of acrylic that's found to have the highest coefficient of friction. It is made after tireless hours of research to find out what's the best material and going to be the best internal dimensions to properly grab the piston. Out of any of the FX models here, whether you have brass or Delrin, whether it's the 8mm washers, the 10mm washers, whether you're grabbing out of the tube version or the bottle version, such as these are going to be bottle versions. We know what the tube version is as well, the AMP. Yeah, so any really the type of FX pistons here, this is going to be able to grab with ease. And also it requires less than 1mm of the piston to be showing. And I'm going to show you that actually in this block right here. There's less than 1mm of that piston sticking out. And this grabs it with ease, no problem. So included with everyone is going to be a Q-tip. Any typical size Q-tip will work, but I'm going to include this bamboo shaft, a bamboo Q-tip installed. You just take it, skinny end, goes in. You don't have to insert it all the way, just about halfway. It's going to help you push it out. It's also going to keep the inside of the tool clean. Anytime there's lube or anything left over from a previous piston, you'll be able to clean it out every time. So we're going to go in order here. We got FX Crown Mark 1 with an 8mm piston, Delrin, 8mm washers, that is, and FX Panthera with a brass piston and 10mm washers, and then the FX Impact here. We'll have to take the piston out of here, put it in there. Nonetheless, this is the one with only it's about a 0.8mm of thickness on the piston showing on that brass. But that works for whether it's Delrin or brass. It's just we're using the brass for the demonstration. So we're going to go ahead to the crown now. See the piston there? Take the tool, lightly press, pulls it right out. Very light press. You don't even have to try. So to reinstall, you're going to take it. You're going to find that groove. You're going to set the O-ring in. And then pop the tool out. And that's it. That's all it requires. So reset the tool. Go here to the FX Panthera. Hope you can see that piston in there. Just going to lightly grab it. And boom. Pulls it right out. You see the O-rings on there. There's no tricks, no smokes and mirrors. The O-rings on there. There's an O-ring down there in the block. So to reinstall. Yep, there you go. It didn't require much because there's so little sticking in there. So, go ahead and reset it. Get back on there. Pull it out. Go over here to the impact. Set in. There you go. Reset the tool. Pull it right out. And there we have it. That's the FX Regulator Piston Tool version 2. That's made by myself, Newman, here at 910, as well as Ernest Ernest Customs, or also known as the FX Guru. He spent countless hours and effort putting into finding out what the internal dimensions need to be to so effortlessly grab this piston. He made a lot of prototypes, a lot of handmade. He posted some even on eBay before we came up with the final design. So if you want to check out his videos, I'll put it in the description below. But also, yeah, so he worked a lot on the inside. I worked a lot on the outside and what material was best, had the best coefficient of friction to grab that piston at the smallest possible. That way you can grab any material of piston, any size, any washer stack, or any usable washer stack. If you try to put any more washers than this in your regulator, it's just not going to work anyways. So really, this is going to work for any FX regulator that uses a piston, whether it's 8mm or 10mm washers. Doesn't matter what action it's coming from. If it has a piston, this tool can pull it out. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below, or shoot me an email over to, you can use my retail email, which is info@capefeairguns.com. This will be available at all 910 Airgun Custom Parts dealers. So whether United States or worldwide, there will be several dealers having these. So there will be plenty available. Feel free to reach out to your local dealer that carries 910 products to pick one up. Or if your local dealer doesn't carry 910 products, maybe they should, because they'll have this.